Today's topic is main compressor. In EMU and MEMU motor coach, a main compressor is provided to create the required pneumatic pressure for operation. Main compressor is a DC series motor of 12 HP capacity. It works with 110 volts DC. Auxiliary supply rectifier supplies the 110 volts DC to main compressor. A contactor CC1 is provided to stop and start main compressor. A controlling relay CR is provided to open and close CC1 contactor. A controlling governor CG1 which closes when MR pressure is below 6 kg and opens when MR pressure is above 7 kg is provided to control CC1 contactor. There is a governor bypass switch GS3 is provided in case governor malfunctions to bypass the governor. For the production of MCP, a 160 amps fuse is provided in fuse bar MCB panel. Purpose of main compressor is to create pressure in main reservoir, Panto reservoir, ABB reservoir, control reservoir and also in entire MR pipeline. Let us see compressor's control circuit. Starting of main compressor. When main compressor start switch is pressed through 5 amps MCB in on condition, compressor relay latches and compressor relay interlock closes on CC1 coil. CC1 coil will energize through 2.5 amps MCB. CR relay normally open interlock closed. Compressor governor when MR is below 6 kg closes and 2.5 amps synchronizing MCB. As soon as CC1 coil energizes, contactor is closed, main compressor starts working, provided 160 amps fuse is good condition. To isolate any one compressor individually, 2.5 amps synchronizing MCB is to be opened. Stopping of MCB. To stop MCB, press compressor trip switch. Through BL interlock and 5 amps MCB, CR trip coil is energized and delatches the CR. Normally open interlock of CR will open in CC1 circuit in all MCs. Now MCP stops in all MCs. Before opening VCB, MCP trip switch to be pressed to stop MCP to avoid failure of auxiliary supply rectifier while reclosing VCB. Automatic stopping and starting of MCB. To monitor the automatic starting and stopping of MCP, a main compressor governor CG1 is provided. CG1 interlock closes at 6 kg per centimeter square and opens at 7 kg per centimeter square on CC1 branch. Hence, MCP starts and stops working respectively. In case CG1 becomes defective in open position, a bypass switch GS3 is provided to start MCP. GS3 is provided at GS panel in LT room. Synchronizing controlling circuit for MCBs. To avoid overloading of MCPs, all MCP governors are connected in parallel so that all MCPs start and stop at a time. The governor with the highest setting controls all the MCPs. MCP not working. How to troubleshoot? If CR not latched, CR to be latched by pressing MCP start switch. If not, check 5 amps MCP for MCP on control panel. Operate BL few times. Operate MCP start switch a few times and ensure that wire number 12 is energized, and ensure latching of CR set coil. If not latched, latch it manually and try. If unsuccessful, keep GS3 bypass switch in on position for CG1 governor. MCP works continuously. Maintain MR pressure by operating MCP close and MCP trip switches. Even after bypassing GS3, if CC1 is not closing, wet the CC1 contactor manually, duly taking necessary safety precautions. CC1 contactor is closing but CP is not working. Ensure lights and fans are working. If CC1 is closed but compressor is not working, check 160 amps fuse in third row, fourth one in fuse bar MCB panel. If fused, replace the fuse with good one, duly taking safety precautions and try. Check MCP terminals. If one of the MCP is not working in rake, troubleshoot like single MC. If unsuccessful, work further with good MC main compressors and close CIC of defective MC. All MCPs not working in all motor coaches. Check 5 amps MCB for MCP. Operate BL key 2 to 3 times. Ensure OHC supply is available. Latch CR manually. If still MCP not working, in case of rake, work further with the help of good MC main compressors, making a remark on logbook, duly informing TLC. Today we learned about main compressor and its control circuit, and if main compressor is not working, how to attend. Thank you all.